This charity here has been at our core of our hearts for 7 years. Well, no, we lost 3 to COVID, so 10 years. This is the 7th ride. Just keeps getting bigger and better thanks to you guys. This is why it exists. This is why it grows. Thank you for that.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we had? Oh,